Hi, my name is Frank Valentic and welcome to our Vantage Property Market Update. While the Melbourne market is presenting more opportunities to buyers, we're seeing clearance rates around the 68% mark on average, and this is a welcome relief to buyers, as last year the clearance rate at the same time was averaging around 78%. So we are definitely transitioning from a seller's market to more of a buyer's market, though there are still some runaway results, as we saw a house in Millen Street, Moonee Ponds, saw a massive price of 10.5 million, a new record, over 5 million higher than any other property sold in the northern suburbs north of the Yarra. We also saw a massive result, the former council site in Sunshine sold for 5,781,000, over 3 million above the $2.5 million reserve, with 5 developers fighting it out. So we aren't at a peak in the marketplace when we're still seeing these results. Some of our clients have experienced some great growth buying in Melbourne's middle north and middle west suburbs. Some of those suburbs in the last year alone have gone up 30 to 40%. Or $1,000 a day. We saw that with a client of ours that we bought in Major Road, Fawkner, only 2 years ago for $568,000, and a house down the road which was comparable just sold for $867,000. So there are some strong growth results in Melbourne's middle, north and west. We're seeing that due to the population growth being the highest in Melbourne, we're growing by 125,000 people predicted this year. Last year it was 150,000, above the long-term 10-year average of 100,000. And we've now grown by more than a third in the last decade. We're the fastest growing capital city, and we're predicted now to outpopulate Sydney very shortly. This is really the biggest factor in our growth, is the population growth that is driving the market. And Sydney siders are now moving to Melbourne as well, as Melbourne is much more affordable than Sydney, where they are now the 10th most unaffordable city in the world to live in, and they're more unaffordable than New York and London. Well, properties with Feng Shui can have a great demand, and they generally sell for 15% more than properties that have poor Feng Shui capabilities. We're going to see a change in the recent future where the lucky number 8 won't be lucky anymore. By 2024, the 20-year cycle will see the next lucky number be number 9. So if you're looking to buy properties long term, number 9 will be the next lucky number. Our group blocks results are always very, very solid for our clients, and we saw another solid one in Wellington Road, Box Hill, where a client bought for $365,000 in 2012 and have just sold for $900,000. There were 4 in that block, so they made a really good windfall due to the zoning changes and selling to a developer. Please don't hesitate to get on our website, check out our information about our buyer's advocate, seller's advocate, property management and owners corporation services, as well as our group block purchases. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.